You want to upgrade your career in 2026. Now, these are the 9 skills you can be looking into as we move towards the end of the year. Now, before I step into the 9 skills, here are the challenges that you will face if you're trying to look for a career to start in 2026. Now, the first challenge is over information. Now, the internet is populated with so many information that it can become confusing sometimes. If you lack a guide, you are going to get lost in an ocean of information. Now, starting a career like maybe in digital marketing or in tech can be very challenging because each area of this career is diversified. Like in digital marketing, for instance, there is groups, there is diversification, like in email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing. There's also ads, pay-per-click. There's also search engine optimization. That's just for digital marketing. Now, if you're going into tech, maybe it's web development or Android development or software development, there is also diversification. In web development alone, we have front-end developers, we have UX and UI designers, we also have the back-end developers. So even in the back-end developers, there is diversification. There is plenty languages. You need to learn like C#, you need to learn ASP.NET, you need to learn PHP if you want to. There is a JavaScript all-through platform if you want to learn in web development. So there's plenty diversification. Or you talk about Android, there's so many things that you need to learn in Android development. So these are just 2 platforms, and it can become an ocean of confusing information out there. So you need a guide, you need someone to direct you on the right path. Now, the next challenge is so many tools. Now, there are so many tools that you can use out there, especially now where AI is taking over everybody's job, all right? So there are so many tools that we can use to achieve many things or achieve a particular task in any career path that you want to choose, be it digital marketing, be it tech, or any other career path, maybe data science or data analysis. Whatever it is that you want to venture into. There are so many tools, and there's an ocean of tools, just like there's an ocean of information out there. So you need a guide, you need someone to guide you through all the technology or all the tools that you'll be needing for a particular career. Now, the next challenge is as a result of the other 2 challenges I've mentioned, which is focus. Now, as a result of so much information and so much tools out there, it can become very distracting. So it can shift your focus if you don't have a guide. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an informed decision of a career path to choose, either in tech or in digital marketing, or per se data analysis or data science. So stay tuned. If you have not liked any of our video, I'd like you to start from here. Like this video, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more information. Now, the next challenge is so much information leads to a very long learning curve. So when you take a career path, for instance, let's say in web development, there's a long learning curve in web development if you want to be really good at it. Or let's say in digital marketing. What do I mean by a long learning curve? So in digital marketing, I can tell you that there are 6 branches that you can learn in digital marketing. Let me just list the 6 of them so that you have an idea of what I'm talking about. So there is content marketing, there is social media marketing, there is email marketing, there is SEO, there is pay-per-click and ad campaign management, there is affiliate marketing. I don't want to make this video look long. Now, here are the 9 career paths that you can choose or venture into in 2026. Now, the first one I'll advise if you're starting out or you're having an idea of starting digital marketing career, you want to look into copywriting, which is the first one. Now, for some of us that doesn't know what copywriting simply means simplifying written grammar to become salesy. What that means is that every grammar that has to do with sales, you want to make it to compel someone or to become more persuasive for someone to take an action. All you'll be writing as a copywriter are articles or text or blog posts or short copies that compels a buyer to look into buying a product or convert a sale. So it's a very good career path to look into in 2026. So if you're looking to start digital marketing, I advise you to take this path. It's a very good path to start with if you want to venture into digital marketing. Now, I mentioned one of the arms of digital marketing is also a career path as well, which is social media marketing. Now, there's a lot of things I'm going to be talking about social media marketing, or some of us are already social media marketers. Now, it's also a good career path to learn because there are so many tech businesses that are making SaaS products, and many of them don't know how to market their products to a new audience. As a social media marketer, you want to leverage the opportunity to market products for SaaS companies that are building products for users that they cannot connect to, audience that they cannot connect to. So you'll be there as a social media manager to post content of awareness about their SaaS product or running ads for their SaaS product as well. Now, social media manager does not only based on SaaS products or tech products. You can also be social media manager for real estate companies or social media managers for NGO firms. You can also be social media manager for governmental agencies. So there are many things you can use social media management for. You can use it to run PRs. PR simply means public relations, maybe about a product or about a government policy or whatever it is that you want to, or agenda, or whatever agenda that you want to use that social media marketing for. Generally, social media marketing is just to attract new audience and create awareness about a product or a brand. Now, the next career path is content marketing. There are so many social media marketing agencies out there that need content creators to create their social media reels and their graphics and their posts and all the things that they'll be needing to be publishing for their awareness campaigns. So a content creator is simply a person that can do video editing, can do graphics design, can write text. Now, another career path you can start in 2026 is a graphics designer career path. Now, many of us are graphics designers, so there are more things that you need to know about graphics design than meets the eye. So starting a career path in graphics design is a very good opportunity because you'll be creating graphics for maybe social media brands or companies that are just starting up, or established companies, designing their banners, their flyers, their electronic content or electronic designs. So there are many things that you can start out as a graphics designer in 2026. So there are many companies hiring for graphics design. You want to check the market, the graphics design market, and see if it's something you want to try in 2026. The next career path you can choose in 2026 is a web development career path. Now, a web development career path, there are so many people into web development, but what to separate you out of the multitude is niching down. Niching down simply means just choosing an arm of web development that you want to be a specialist in. So it could be front-end web development or back-end web development, or it could be the UX or UI web development. So just using the term web development as a career path is going to put you on a broader view. So you want to niche down, all right, to a specific part of web development. You are good in building a particular UI interfaces for companies. You want to niche down in that place. You are good in building UIs for health applications. You are good in building UI or user experience for law agencies and firms. You are good in building UI or user experiences for a particular industry. So you want to niche down on that place, and then you'll be able to attract people than just using a broader term of web development. So that's just my piece of advice. Another career path in 2026 is email marketing. So this is also an arm of digital marketing. It's an extension of digital marketing, very useful. Many people check their emails every now and then. So people are now going to the emails now to sell their products directly to their prospective customers. Now, to be an email marketer, you need to also be a very good copywriter, and you also need to be very good in using automation tools. Automation tools are tools that can send your emails in different sequences. Now, you might not understand what I'm saying, but I'll make videos to explain this on a broader view. So follow us for more videos like this. The next career path you can choose is the data science career path. Now, in 2026, as we are in the AI era now, it's a very excellent choice to choose a AI career path because many of the apps we are using now are AI powered. So companies are looking for people that with data experience knowledge that can come and run all their AI model and train their models and all those kind of things. So if it's something that you want to do in 2026, it's a very good place to start. So I've told you every career has diversification. So you want to pick an arm of data science that you want to learn and then focus on that area in building your skills. The next career path you want to take on is the data analyst part of data science. It's also a career path you can choose. Now you'll be building models for data and analyzing company data to see whether a company is improving on maybe their sales or their PR schemes or whatever it is that the agenda of that company is, or that business or that government agency. You'll be the one responsible for doing all those things. So you'll be working with a huge set of data analysis. you want to learn a career path on data analysis, it's also a good place to start in 2026. The last career path, and not the least, is sales and CRMs. So CRM stands for customer relationship management. So there are many softwares out there for customer relationship management. So if it's also an extension of digital marketing as well. So if you want to start a career in managing CRM, it's just like a customer support system for businesses. So they work with CRMs. Maybe if customers file a complaint, they can use their CRM to track those complaints and see whether those complaints were resolved. It's not only for a support system, you can use it for your sales tracking to see if your business is doing well in sales, or if you are losing out on customers, or if customers are having bad reviews about your products. You can use the CRM to do all those things. So there are many things I'll talk about CRM later in my future videos. So stay tuned and connect, follow us, like and share for more content like. So what would be my advice for picking any of the careers I've listed in 2026? My advice for you is to go deep on a career that you're choosing. If you're choosing one of the 9 careers I've listed, you want to search out for the different arms that career has and focus on one area. Don't be the guru that knows everything and is not an expert in any. Choose one area that you're focusing on and then put all your energy there and be an expert in that area. Now you can be an expert in one area and have an idea of many other things. I call it the 80-20 rule. 80% of an expertise on a particular field and 20% in knowing other fields as well, so that you're not ignorant about those other fields as well. I believe with everything I've mentioned today, you'll be able to pick one of the careers that I've listed and start a journey for a career path in 2026. See you on the next video. Welcome on another